Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today we are gonna clean the gas tank. We're gonna install our fuel pump as well as the little lock ring. Vapor canister, I'll do that in another episode because I do want to thoroughly clean the underneath of the van. We do have a little bit of stuff to get out from under the van. So today we're just gonna solely focus on the gas tank. We're gonna clean it, install the fuel pump and the lock ring. That's it. We'll call it an episode. So I just want to say I did get the rest of the stuff. I ordered it. Apparently it cost me another 360 bucks for everything else that I've ordered. Some stuff are precautionary just in case they do go bad later on. And like I told you guys, I am planning on restoring this truck back to its natural beauty somewhere along down the line when I get a lift and everything else to set back up. Until then, we're just going to change things as we go to kind of help the process of me restoring the truck. Mostly I really want to restore the frame and stuff, but other than that, let us jump right in to getting this tank clean. I'll meet you on the other side. Alrighty guys, so we got the tank clean. Here it is, all wiped off. Now there is some water that got inside the tank, so I'm definitely going to show you guys how to get rid of that water if any fell inside the tank. It's super easy, not that hard. What you want to do is take a screwdriver and insert it right there where that little hose is. Use a flathead screwdriver. Reason being, there is like it's something to avoid getting your gas stolen from the tank, it looks like. So you need something thin enough to push the flap open. Once the flap opens, everything will come out. So I'm going to show you how it works now. Get a flathead. I prefer this, a nice long one. Insert it in the hole, tip the tank up, water should come out. That is how it's done. So there is going to be a little bit of residual water in there. What you want to do is take a dry microfiber cloth, something that doesn't leave fuzz behind, and you want to dry the inside. Usually I like to leave it in the sun, let the sun dry it out, and then wipe away whatever remnants of water is inside. There was no fuel in this. After obviously I emptied out all the fuel, put it in 2 containers, filled up my tank because it needed some, and I ended up leaving it in the garage for a little bit. Every day I would open it out, let it air out whatever tiny residuals was left in there. And now it's empty. There's nothing in there. Wash the tank. So for the record, there is no fuel. Obviously, you got to be responsible when you're disposing your fuel. You don't want to just throw it anywhere because someone lights a cigar. That's it. And they flick it over there. You're lighting up everything on fire. So always be safe with what you're doing. Okay, so I lied, but for good reason. 1, I have all the stuff to put in the fuel pump and whatnot. 2, there's not much we're going to get done because I have to wait probably till Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday to receive the rest of the stuff. And 3, I do want whatever's left of that fuel tank to kind of dry out. Now some water did get inside. My arm cannot reach all the way in, but for the most part I got off a lot of it. There are probably some residuals. So what I want to do is tomorrow when it's sunny outside, because in this Florida heat everything evaporates, I'm going to put the tank outside, let it sit in the sun, let the water evaporate from inside before I even put in my fuel pump. That way, when I fill it up with gas, there is no water because water and fuel does not mix. It gives you a lot of problems. So, with that being said, right then and there, we're just going to have to wait till tomorrow. So, hopefully, tomorrow comes soon. Plus, it's getting dark out. Not a lot of light to help you all with, but this camera does actually pick up pretty good in the light. So we're just going to end this one right here. Now, something that you guys can look forward to coming up, I am going to try my welding skills for the first time. I found a perfect piece of metal to try it on. On the side of the gas tank, there is a metal plate, obviously to help protect it from debris and whatever, and to protect the evap lines and whatnot. One part of it, right over here in the corner, is rusted. There's a hole through it. So I'm going to buy a sheet of metal, something similar to that, and cut out that piece and practice my wells. And then I'll repaint that, make it look good as new, and obviously make this tank look great and new and put it back in the truck. This is part of the restoration project in the Avalanche as well, so might as well get started, and that's less for me to do in the upcoming videos. Obviously it might need a little wipe down later on because it's gonna be in a lot of dirt and road grime, so till that time we'll wait till then. But other than that, guys, I will see y'all for the next episode. Sorry it was short. If you guys liked it, please leave a like in this video. Also drop a comment, because I know a lot of you guys like to comment, and I appreciate each and every one of your comments, and I love chatting with y'all. So with that being said, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.